Hello, day 2 of my 3-minute tutorials of the critical security controls from the Center of Internet Security. I want to go through number 2, inventory of authorized and unauthorized software. So you can see there's 20 of these. I'm going to do one a day, try to keep it under 3 minutes apiece so I can keep your time. Your time is valuable, right? So I hope your day's going good. So we're going to talk about inventorying your software, making sure that you're running safe software. So you want to, first step is to make sure that you have a list. Just start your list to inventory approved software. Ensure that only approved software gets added to that approved list. And for this, you can use inventory tools. You can find one you need. We can assist you with that if you need help. But generally, everybody has their favorite, right? And then you want to track filterable information. Once you get this inventory tools, this inventory list, you want to make sure you actually have the name of the software, the version, the publisher, the install date, and the operating systems. This kind of gives a little backup that some people, they call it phishing. They can give you a software. It looks like the software you need, but it's actually made by a different publisher that might make the if it's made by Google, they might take out one of the O's or add an extra O. So you got to be careful of that and make sure they match up exactly. So this will help you if you have a good list of softwares with those type of things. It'll help you check it. You want to tie the software inventory system to the hardware inventory system. I talked about that yesterday. The reason is it makes it easier to audit your systems together, and it's more likely that while you're in there checking one, that you're going to check the other. Persistence, consistency equates to success, and this will help you do that. Next, you want to remove unauthorized software or update the inventory quickly. So if a software is in your system that you don't want, remove it. Or if it is in your system and it is a software that you want it to be updated quickly too, because you don't want somebody downloading two different softwares even though they look the same. If your inventory is updated, that'll reduce those chances. There's technology called whitelisting technology, and that can block unauthorized software automatically. I recommend you use that if you have somebody on top of their game in your IT department. They'll be able to help you out with that. Only authorized digitally signed scripts, so we're talking macros and things like that, should be allowed to run. Your whitelisting technology can do that for you as well. And then when you run into a software that you don't like, or that's not on your list anyway, maybe you like it, but it's not on your list, so it's risky, keep away from it, right? If it's risky and you still need to run that, segregate it from your system so it's not able to infect your entire network. Maybe you can plug in a computer on its own that's not connected to the network and run that risky software on that. It doesn't mean, you don't have to run a software that you really need to run your business. You just got to make sure that your network is protected. Know your risk, do this, and it will help you. So yesterday I talked about hardware, inventorying your hardware. Today I talk about inventorying your software, and tomorrow I'll get the next one done. Thank you for your time, and that was a quick lesson, and hopefully you guys can use it. Have a good day.